it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I've got a Superdrug haul. They've sent it in 3 boxes this time. So yes, I've got a Superdrug haul today. As you can see, it has been sent in 3 boxes, so I've got lots of goodies for us to go through. Okay, so I think I'll start with the big box as I think this has most of the things in here. Who knows what's in the 2 smaller ones? Probably one little tiny item in them. You know what Superdrug can be like. So I picked up some essentials. I got some things on offer. Just the usual kind of Superdrug fare. There was a few things that were out of stock that I wanted to order, which is quite disappointing because I think the last 3 months of my Superdrug hauls there's been something out of stock that I've wanted. This time it did say it was out of stock on the website rather than getting an email and a refund. So at least there was that, I suppose. But yeah, Superdrug, sort your stock levels out, man. Okay, so I haven't opened the box yet. Goodness. Okay, here we go. Okay, so lots of goodies in here. Really excited to show you. Okay, so I'm going to start with an item that actually should have been in last month's haul, but it was out of stock. I got an email saying that it was no longer in stock, so they were giving me a refund, but it's in stock this month. Yay! So this is my favourite eye makeup remover, my absolute fave. I've tried quite a few while this has been out of stock and things, and there are some good ones out there, don't get me wrong, just nothing is as quick and easy as this for me personally. I really like it. So it's the Simple Kind Skin eye makeup remover. They have recently changed the packaging. I think I mentioned that possibly on my last haul. Well, not my last one, the last haul that I had this on. But I saw a post on their Instagram the other day. I think they're now making it out of recycled oh my goodness. They're making it out of recycled plastic, and you know, all this can be recycled. So that's really, really good. Yeah, so I think I got this. It was either buy one get one free or they were half price. So I think they're $3.79 usually, so I still just paid $3.79 I think for the 2. I can't remember if they were buy one get one free or if they were half price. Also, bear with my voice. I think I'm starting with a sore throat again. It's on and off at the minute. Sorry. Okay, so I've got some more skincare items next. They are all from Superdrug's Vitamin E range, and they were on buy one get one half price. So firstly, I picked up this Nourishing Eye Cream. I've used it before. I've actually just run out of the one that I'm using at present, and I started another one, but I think it'd be nice to have a backup of a favourite. So these cost £3.49 at full price, which I think is an amazing price because it is a really good product and it lasts a long time. So excellent, really, to be fair. So yeah, that's just kind of an eye cream. I pop it on a night after my skincare routine, just before I pop on my moisturiser, and I really, really like it. Okay, the next item then from the Vitamin E range, I got this Gentle Micellar Solution. I've just kind of running very, very low on my usual Garnier micellar that I really, really like. And I thought I would try some more of the Superdrug ones. I really, really like the one from the B range. So I thought I'd try one for the Vitamin E range because I do really, really like the Vitamin E range. So it's just a gentle micellar solution, obviously rich in vitamin E and high in antioxidants. It defends the skin against environmental damage. Like I say, I haven't tried this. It's just a new one I've got today. I believe this was also £3.49, but again, it's on that buy one get one half price. So if anybody wants to know when I try this what I think, drop me a comment and let me know. Okay, then similarly to that one, the micellar that I like to use from Garnier has oil in it. So just in case that one didn't quite fit the bill and I wanted something a little stronger, I also picked this one up from the Vitamin E range, and it is the Dual Phase Cleansing Oil. And it's kind of a bit of a oily solution that I'm guessing you mix up and use as so, I'm guessing. So it's just fun. This one is another one I haven't tried before, but I just thought I'll give it a go. I do really like the Vitamin E range, and while there's this buy one get one half price, I might as well pick up a few things to try. So again, let me know if you think I should do a video or something about this. It's not one I've tried before, but definitely one I'm looking forward to. Okay, and the very last thing that I picked up then on the Vitamin E buy one get one half price thing, I got this Gentle Oatmeal Exfoliator. Now, the last face scrub kind of a thing that I was using was from the Naturally Radiant Superdrug range, but I can't seem to get a hold of that. I think they might have discontinued it. It was like the micro polish. It was really, really nice, but but like I say, I think they've sold out of that now, and I've still got a little left of the one I have, but I thought I would pick up a backup while there's an offer on again. So this one was £3.49 again, but the buy one get one half price makes everything a little cheaper. So again, it's not one I've used, so I can't say too much about it, but obviously it's from the vitamin E range, which is fab. It's got oatmeal and walnut shells and stuff in there to kind of scrub your face. I like to try and swap out my usual face wash for a scrub once or twice a week, just to kind of keep my skin looking fresh. The next items in the big box then are these nourishing foot packs. I actually got these thinking of I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I kind of want one to maybe be a pampering kind of giveaway, and then getting some gifts really, because these were £1.99, but they were on 3 for 2. So there's only 2 in this box. You know what that means, don't you? One of the other boxes has a foot pack in it. So I'm going to just check that now. Okay, so this is the lighter of the boxes. So I'm just going to open up and have a look. Ooh. And yeah, this is the box and the full pack. So yeah, I don't know why Superdrug feel the need to send such huge boxes for such little things, and why that couldn't have fit in there, I really do not know. Okay, so I got a couple of similar ones because I think these came highly, the reviews were quite high starred for that one. So that's, oh sorry, I picked up the 2, these ones. The honey and almond ones, so they came quite highly rated, and so did this one, which was the Nourishing Sock Pack in marula oil, I think is. And I think I've heard a few things about this recently. I think it's becoming popular. So those are 3 things. I got one to put in the giveaway, and they were on 3 for 2. So I thought I would pick them up for gifts. So, you know, to pop away for, I don't know, Mother's Day, birthdays, there's things coming up. So yeah, those are really nice. £1.99 each, 3 for 2, bargain. I've just noticed, I mean, there's items in there, but there's a slight oil stain on the bottom of the box. So I'm guessing perhaps this little guy has leaked a little. So if you order one of these, just be careful. I don't think it's a massive leak, it's just a little bit, nothing feels oily. So, but just watch out for that one. Okay then, the final products then are all kind of makeup products. And they're all from one particular brand. And if you watch my hauls regularly, you will already know what that brand is. I'm sorry, you're probably sick of seeing Revolution products on here, but genuinely, I just find them to be such good quality for such a fab price, and everything just works really well on me, so I love them. So everything that I got was kind of on an offer. There was a spend £20 and you got a free goodie bag, which is what I'm guessing is in that third and final box. I'll open that last. And then there were some products that were, well, I'll show you the first 2. I think these were buy one, get one half price on selected Revolution. So for that one, I have picked up the Revolution Conceal and Fix Pore Perfecting Primer, which I think is a dupe for the e.l.f. one, which is what I'm using at the moment, and I do really like the e.l.f. one. So I picked up 2 of those, thinking that Makeup Revolution have probably done a damn good job, and it's probably pretty close to the e.l.f. one, isn't it really? Or it might even be better. I don't know. I took the risk and I bought 2. So these are £8 each, but I got obviously the buy one get one half price. So this one was £4 and this one was 8, or vice versa. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that again. If you wanted my opinions on that, let me know. I'm running quite low on the e.l.f. one, but I'm thinking I could do a video comparing the 2 because I do have enough left to do that with. So let me know if you fancy that. Okay, the next thing that I picked up was on sale for £5. And it is one of my absolute all-time makeup faves. It is the Soft Highlighter Palette. I really love this palette. It's fab. I think it was £8 at full price, which is like £1 each for a highlighter, which frankly is bonkers. But this was £5, so it's even more crazy, because genuinely these are some of my favourite highlighters that I've ever used. I really like them. And my palette at the minute, I think all of the top 4 are empty and the bottom 4 are used. So I got myself a backup. I did just get 2 fabulous new highlighters from Colourpop, so I don't necessarily need this at the moment, but it's good to have a backup. I was thinking, do I put it in a giveaway? But truthfully, it is one of my all-time faves, so I think I'm going to hang on to this for myself because I do genuinely love this palette. I can't say good enough things. Obviously, I've used it before and I just find them amazing. There's 8 colours you get in there, kind of paler shades. You get some like baked shades. There's like a pinky and a purple shade. I find the pinky ones really, really nice for if I want to highlight my cheeks. You have some like golden ones and bronzy ones. They're really good for like in the summer. And I find actually the darker shades are actually quite good on the body when you've got a bit more of a tan. So I genuinely love this. I'll shut up now because I am talking up something terrible. The next thing that I wanted to pick up, I did want to pick up a Conceal and Define highlighter in a darker shade because I already have a darker foundation and I'm going on holiday next month, so I wanted to have the darker version. But all of the darker concealers were out of stock. So like the next few shades up from mine, all of them were kind of unavailable. So I didn't pick that up, but just to make up the price so that I got my free kit, I picked myself up another of my faves. It's the Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray, or I think it's still down on the website as the Pro Fix Spray. They're exactly the same thing. I really love this. This is £5 and I genuinely think it works fab at keeping your makeup on your face all day. Genuinely do see a difference. So I think this is excellent. It's better than some of the higher end stuff as well, I found anyway. So yeah, another fave. Okay then, so this final box is a complete mystery to me. Okay then, so in here we have our free gift, the Join the Revolution gift bag. There's a couple of things in there. So let's get this open and have a little look. I don't know what's in it. I haven't seen anything about this, so it's interesting. Obviously, I'm always happy to try new Revolution products, or if there's things in here I don't think I'm going to be using, I'll slip in a giveaway for you guys. Okay, so that's it opened. I'm just going to dig in here, I think, and then pick out some things and let you know what's in. So the first thing, which I think is the biggest, let's pull that out. Ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. It is the Reloaded Basic Mattes palette. And, oh, this might have to be a keeper for me because these are my kind of shades. They're really quite neutral, kind of warm and cool tones. And they're like lovely browny natural shades, which I find perfect for an everyday look. So I may hang on to this one for myself because I think I can get some use out of it. However, I do have an awful lot of eyeshadow palettes, so we shall see. Okay then, the next item, let's dig in there. It's a lipstick. Oh, it's from the Soft range, and it is the Fudge lipstick. Now, I have all of the Soft lipsticks, so this one might go in a giveaway. I love them, they are absolutely fab. But yeah, so this one's the Fudge shade. Really nice. Dig deep again. Okay, there's 2 things left. I think there's another lipstick, so let's pull that one out. Okay, so this is another one from the Soft range, and this one is Syrup. I think Syrup might be my favourite one. The third one I think is called Cake. Maybe that one's my favourite. Or is it this one? I can't remember. It might be the Cake one, or it could be the Syrup one. Anyway, those are 2 fab Soft lipsticks. I love these. I think they're about £3 each. So these will go in a giveaway because I do actually have all 3 shades and I still have plenty of them left. So look out for those in a giveaway. Okay then, the last item. Let's see what it is. So it is the Renaissance Lip Liner in Prime. So it looks like it's quite a deep shade. I've never had much luck with Revolution liners, to be fair. I always seem to snap them, and then I kind of get them, I don't even know if you're supposed to sharpen them, but I've kind of sharpened them and things, and then I snap them again. I don't know, so this one might also go in a giveaway. I don't want to give away something that is something that I wouldn't like myself, but I just feel like somebody else might get better use out of it. I don't know, maybe I'll have a go and keep it and see if this one I have better luck with. So for free, that's a really nice kind of gift bag. So this is fab. I'll definitely use that. These are actually amazing, but I already have them, so I'll probably put them in the giveaway. And a lip liner. I'm not so much of a lip liner user, to be fair. My lips are in quite good shape and I just kind of whack the lipstick on. So maybe I will put this in a giveaway because somebody else might really like it. Okay then guys, that was our haul. I think I picked up some fabulous things. I picked up some things that I haven't tried before. So if you're interested in those, drop me a comment and let me know if you want to hear my opinion. And yeah, let me know kind of if you've used any of these things, what you think of those. And yeah, that'd be fantastic. I'll chat with you in the comments. If you like this video guys, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. I do a Superdrug haul every month. I can't help myself. And yeah, I also have plenty of other videos coming up. So make sure you are subscribed. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.